Trending stars.
Alright guys, the last time I met him, it was at live at Kumbali.
Yeah.
And I was like, guys, who is this Ray person? And then he performed, and then I met another guy. He was like, I'm looking forward to see Ray's performance. I'm like, he just finished performing, and he was like, no way! I'm like,
serious?
I'm serious.
Oh,
and I was like,
that's
yeah,
terrible.
you know
That's
your room, right? Next time, come on time.
My Miss Universe, my supermodel, hit the lotto. One more time. She was my Miss Universe, hey, my supermodel, hey. I came in first place, hey, hit the, hey. Holiday, she was, come on. She was my Miss Universe, my supermodel. I came in first place. What? Hit, hey, I call it holiday. Come on, Lisa. Hey, she was my Miss Universe, hey, my supermodel. Hey, hey. I came in first place. What? Hit the lotto. I call it She was my Miss Universe, my supermodel. Yeah. I came in first place. What? Hit the lotto. Holiday.
And of course, guys, this is Trending Star, and I am Alina Pechunga. And today we have Zo Lar. Not as in, his word, Margaret, but he is Zo Lar, yeah?
Yes.
All right, Dziko. All right, now, first things first. How did Zo Lar come about?
Okay, so Ziko Lar, okay, let me be honest. It used to be just Ray for a very long time. Come on, when you go on Spotify, they're like 1,000 Rays. Do you know what I mean? So it was kind of hard to keep track of the songs. So it was more so a thing of like, how do you then capture something that's unique, something that's authentic. So Zo Lar is more so like, it's more so a concept, if I may say so.
Okay.
Yeah. So the idea is you're coming into my space,
yes,
my world, and like experiencing my reality, my ideas, and we get to exchange from there. So that's the idea of Zo Lar.
Yeah, all right. Now I'm thinking, could even when you're opening accounts, TikTok, and then they're like, yeah, that's already taken.
As long as like everyone thinks they're unique until you like, try to produce the name. It's like, oh, okay, pretty much.
Yeah. Now tell us, how did you find yourself into music? Because but we all have different journeys.
Yeah, true.
Tell us yours.
So basically, I've always sang since I was a young kid. I used to sing in the church choir. My brother was a musician as well. He is a musician. So I have two brothers. One does hip hop. His name is Dark Birch. You check him out.
Yeah.
Dark Birch.
Okay.
I have my other brother called John. He's a jazz artist. He's a composer. So naturally, I was inspired by my big brothers. As soon as last point, I was like, I want to be like those guys.
Yeah.
So I took it up, and here we are today, chatting to nothing.
Okay. All right. Now, you know how the Malawian music industry, I would say, has favorites already, yeah?
Ooh, okay.
Yeah,
cool.
I would say that. Now, what gave you the push? I know in as much as but I feel like I can make it in the Malawian music industry.
Okay, I think for me personally, it's about the passion, right? I just love to sing. So even if no one was listening, I would still be singing.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So I've never thought of like the idea of their favorites. There's Nandani. It's just so Zo Lar.
Yeah.
It's just my word.
Okay.
Like I told you, it's more so like a unique experience. Everyone is unique in their own right. Just do your thing and it may work out.
Okay.
That's
so for you, it's not about the money.
It's not about the money. Of course, yeah, the money is important.
I was about to say, don't tell me it's not about the money. The money has to be there, of course, yeah?
The money is very important. The money is very important because, like, they're going to make Zodiak.
Exactly.
So you need to make sure that whatever it is you're doing, you're gaining something at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So you need to be smart about your art, whatever kind of business, and so be smart about it. But the passion comes first.
Yeah.
Because if it's just about the money, then I'm going to say, But yeah, it's more so the passion. I love to sing.
Yeah.
So even if there was no money, I'd still be singing.
Yeah.
But the money is nice too.
All right, we're also about the money. Now tell me, where do you get your inspiration from Mugamalimba, your songs? Because I saw your performance and I was like, okay, that's something different, not the regular, songs that we listen to.
And I understand you, man.
Oh, so the heartbreaking.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Maliva, at least maybe you're destroying your liver in the right way.
In that way,
yeah. Exactly.
No, but it's more so life experiences. Like I said, once again, Zo Lar. I feel like you have your own unique sort of experiences that you go through.
Yes.
And you share them in your own way. So similar to me, like the music is how I share my experiences. The highs, the lows, the heartbreaks, the cheers, the dances, the laughs, everything. That's basically what inspires the music, just life itself.
Just life itself.
Just life itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, you performed at Live at Kumbali and you shared the stage with, great artists.
I did.
As someone that's, up and coming, how did that make you feel?
It was great. It was great to be in their presence. I got to chop it up with some of them. They're quite cool people.
Yeah.
I'm projecting they aren't true. You know what I mean? They're just people.
Yeah.
So I think it was just more so like a nudge of confidence that you can do it.
Yes.
Like you belong there. You know what I mean? So I think to anyone else that's out there, if you don't believe in your art, no one's gonna believe in it. Do you know what I mean? So it starts with yourself. If you believe in your art, everyone else will take you seriously, and that was just like a wow moment. Like, yo, like we get to share the stage, kinda.
Yeah.
So that was cool. That was pretty cool.
All right. Now I did say, Guri, your style is unique. It's different, and how do his songs sound like? Yeah. Before we dive into the genre that you do, because I would say it's a little bit complicated. You have a guitar with you.
I do.
Play us something.
Okay, this song is called Kumaleje. You can check it out on Spotify, wherever you stream your music. Dimawanka nazula diwewe darling, number one. Loving is all I know. You can't leave me, darling. Can't let me go. You and me forever. A girl that high school love needed. I tell you and me forever. A girl that high school love needed. I tell ya. Paga kumaleje wanga ndiwe. Apalibe wina so izutiwe. Mpaka kumaleje wanga ndiwe. Apalibe wina so izutiwe. Mpaka kumale apalibe wina so
wanga ndiwe yo.
That's the one.
All right, I knew that I was gonna ruin this thing because some of us are not meant to.
Unbeknownst to you guys, Naf is actually a great singer.
Oh, guys,
she has a whole
that's a lie.
That's
a lie. That's a lie. A very big. Okay, you say this song is already out?
It is out.
I think I've just found something for my playlist.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's really nice. That's really good.
Very much.
Now tell me, Dugunva High School Lover, is this song a dedication to somebody?
I'd rather not say.
Okay.
I'd rather not say. Okay, no, it's not. It's not.
Maybe it is.
Maybe it is, maybe it's not. That's for you to decide.
All right, now I felt Kalokotash in it a little bit, some sort of, I would say, Afro-sourish, jazzish.
Yeah, okay.
Mugubanga genre yanji.
The nyimbo basi, the nyimbo. I think
I keep saying this, guys. The person that came last week, the other week, the guys.
But I think of it this way. Ngadi nyimbos, you were inspired by so many different artists.
Yeah.
Ngadi I grew up listening to Namadingo, Faith Musa, John Bellion.
Yeah.
Jacob Collier. So you can imagine, you know, my influences say, since the sound is bound to be different.
Yeah.
If you listen to Nathaniel Jalojala,
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
you know
yeah.
him. Great artist, you know, like you can't say with the logo or in the
Yeah, it's not logo. The infusion, kama genres osiana siana. Yeah.
So pretty much it's just music. Once again, being inspired by so many things and then making it your own thing. That's what it's about.
Okay, now listening to the guitar, now I think ndamba kumva moga John Billion again. Like, okay, we see you, we see you. So now listening to these people, I mean, how have they shaped your music as an artist?
Okay, so crazy story. For me to want to become an artist, right, is because of Faith Musa.
Oh.
Yeah, Faith Musa was launching his DD animation video called Crossroads Auditorium. So I remember I went there and I was sat at the back. They no one I say Faith Musa narrow but I forget I think that's what it's called, I'm not sure. I know everyone just like, wow, this guy is so cool. I was like, wow, I want to be like that guy. And the rest is history.
Okay. So have you always played the guitar from like way since, or it's just something that you've learned maybe recently? But I feel like you're good. I'm not in the know-how of guitars, but yeah,
No,
your work is amazing. Yeah.
Thank you very much. My first instrument was the guitar. So I started playing when I was fairly young.
Yeah.
I started learning from a guy called Kids and Strings. Quite an amazing guitarist, and then another legend called Thatcher Ngoma. Thatcher Ngoma is the guy that has taught a lot of guitarists out here. I think he's also taught Lulu, I think, at a certain point. Faith Musa himself used to play with Ambali.
Yeah.
So that was a very big sort of like jump for me to meet Thatcher. And then, yeah, I think after that, Guma and Danto Sena Siana Basumango Jama. And then here we are today, just making music.
All right.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about you as an up-and-coming artist. Are you under any management right now?
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Yes, I
am. So you are under a management.
Yeah.
I know when you started, it was just you and you alone.
It was.
Yeah. Can you just tell us what's the difference? What's like under management in Dijan?
Yeah, management is very, very important. It's not possible. So I'm fortunate enough to be working with New Wave Malawi.
Yeah.
Be managed by Ntangwaniga Gondowe. So that's been a big transition. Okay, but I can't say that it's always been me and me alone.
Yeah.
I did have a friend of mine that was helping me out, Yolanda Masea. Shout out Yolanda. She did amazing. She got me to the summer concerts and other gigs as well. So that was a very big sort of like introduction to the music scene. Yeah, but I think since then I've been working with New Wave and it just makes life easy.
Yeah.
So ngabanga just wake photo shoot video.
Yeah.
So you need a team, you know. So I think it's very important to embrace working in teams and collaboration. It's very, very important.
All right.
Yeah.
Now, maybe apart from Kuri, yes, you're under management. Kumamwina, what challenges do you think my up-and-coming artists are facing right now? Because I know, Kuri, it's not easy to get up there.
Okay, I think, in my opinion, I feel like it's quite expensive to break out as an artist. Because my studio session, if you're an upcoming artist, then I go to a session about 100,000 or 200,000, 150.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It may be kind of hard to produce some numbers as well, right? Come also now to not get your song played on my stations you also need to so you know what I mean? So sometimes you're lucky, good to know people just love you organically.
Yeah.
But TikTok about my guy go feed but sometimes that's not always the case.
Yeah.
So I think that's the biggest thing. Financing.
Finances.
I think that's the biggest thing.
Yeah. I remember, I think the last time we were talking was I think with Onesmus, he was like, you know what, as an artist, you need to have the money because how are you going to brand yourself and, you know, the other expenses that you've mentioned. So, guys, please make sure you have the money.
It's very important.
Before you break out because we want to see how unique you are. I mean, if you don't have the money, then,
okay, but I would still say even without the money, just do it.
Just do it.
who knows what may happen.
Yeah.
If you don't have the money, then you may do someone else's bidding. Do you know what I mean? I was okay, say dress a certain way, but that's not really you.
Yeah.
Or okay, fine, music video I'm okay, A, B, C, D, X, Y, and Z. But that's not your style.
Yeah.
But because they're giving you the money, you have to comply.
Hey.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's very important to just think about how you navigate finances and how to just get your art out there. Also say if it's good music, people will listen.
Yeah, they will.
So just put it out there and by sign enough.
Yeah, we shall call you. Please make sure you holler at me. I'm just one call away. Jokes, but then again, let's talk about the genre that you do. I think I also asked you this question before. Do you feel like the genre that you do is appreciated much in Malawi? Because I think yes, they are making music, but in Malawi, people don't listen to that kind of music. Don't you think also that's a little bit demotivating? Guys, I'm trying to make something different, and then at the end of the day, it's not being appreciated much.
I would say so, but I also think that we're getting to a place where it is being appreciated. Because look at Praise Mali, amazing artist, one of the biggest artists in Malawi. Look at Ellen Juji, you love Ellen Juji.
Yeah,
like one of the biggest artists in Malawi. You can't say that it's purely a Malawian sound. Josh Kalukusha, amazing artist, King of Diamonds, you know. And I think what these people do is they inspire people like us.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And maybe someone is inspired just listening to this interview as well.
Yeah.
Could maybe 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and they'll take it to heights we've never even imagined.
Yeah.
So I think just keep doing a thing to artists like myself. It may not be us, it may be the people that are coming after us, but just keep doing the thing. I think the art is the most important thing, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Good, if you love what you're doing and you're putting it out there, that's enough.
Okay.
Exactly. And then Nimbo says she's out there.
True that.
So it's like just do a thing.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
All right, now let's talk about, if I remember correctly, you said graduation party?
I did.
Yes.
Wow, you remember?
I remember.
That's crazy that you remember that.
So you said this year you're giving us an album. Guys, he has an album, and please be on the lookout for that album, because if it doesn't drop, personally, I'm going to drag it. You did talk about the graduation party.
Yeah.
Maybe just tell us, the graduation party, what's it all about?
Okay. Wow. Thank you for remembering. That's very good. That's very good.
Yeah.
So graduation party is more so about being a student of life. Yeah. So once again, coming into my own as Zo Lar.
Yeah.
So started off doing music as just Ray. Took a hiatus for about 2 years, and then came back to doing music. Should I say last year or 2 years ago?
2 years.
2 years ago. Fair enough. So it's been a long journey. So the journey is sort of like, the album talks about my journey from Chanko, leaving Chanko, going to Kenya, and the experiences in between that.
Yeah.
The people that I met, my family, coming back, the heartbreaks.
Oh, wow. Woo! We are in for some heartbreak songs.
The joys. Joy is very important. The joys, the interviews.
Yes.
So everything is in the album. It's just more so a collection of life moments. Life moments.
We're experiencing what Ray has been through in a couple of maybe 2 years, 3?
6 years. 5.
Oh, 6 years. All right. I'm pretty sure if you're friends with him, then music as well. Because I mean, it's all about everything.
Yeah.
All right. Now, the song that you recently played, Inali, a love song. From the album, should we expect more love songs? It's a balance of everything.
Less love songs.
Okay, less love songs.
Less love songs. It's all storytelling from start to finish.
Yeah.
It's storytelling. So
storytelling.
Love songs, maybe 1 or 2.
Okay, 1 or 2.
But the rest are just like proper stories.
All right. So how many songs does the album have?
It's a surprise.
Oh wow. The release date is a surprise. How many songs is a surprise? Yo, guys, we're in for a surprise indeed, I must say.
Call me back when it drops. We should chat about it.
All right, I will. I'll definitely give you a call. What's it all about? Yeah.
Definitely.
And of course, now you've been in the game for 2 years. We've seen you perform.
Been in the game for 2 years.
Yeah. Okay, like consistently.
Shout out. No, that was just funny to me.
Yeah.
2 years.
So you recently also had a show Kumatso.
I did.
Yes. So can you just tell us about you're back in the game. What should we
Yeah.
expect from Ray, apart from the album, of course?
Okay. I think I should say I never left the game.
Okay, he never left.
I never left the game. I think for the past, should I say 4 years or 3 years, I've just been performing, but not releasing music.
Yeah.
So I think over the past 3 years, I have gained a small following. So that's what made the show at Mad Talk possible.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite an amazing turnout. People came through. It was an experience. Actually, we played all the songs from the album, actually.
Guys, it was a mini listening. Why
was.
did I go there? How did I
actually was a
forget?
listening
You know,
session.
I actually remembered because I saw someone's status and I was like, yes, Guy told me that he's gonna have a show.
I did.
Yeah?
I did. It was basically a listening session for the album.
Okay.
Pretty
We
much.
missed out. We missed out. This saga, I mean, I jambula video. I
Yes.
should, like, you know, be in. All right, now maybe there's someone that's also up and coming, but you know they're having doubts about it. You know, when on Malawi, parents will be selling you on the other side. Friends are like, yeah, inu kuligaraji nandandani, you won't make it. And ish, kwani mugurani. Can you just tell them something? Just encourage them.
Okay, I think advice is very interesting to me because at the end of the day, you motivate yourself. Do you know what I mean? But what I will say is, just stay true to yourself. You know, I think just keep making music that you love. You know, like make sure you love the music that you're doing. If not, then what's the point? Do you know what I mean? If you love the music, just put it out. Regardless of the turnout or the response, just put out the music. And it may connect, it may not connect. End of the day, you made yourself happy, and that's the most important thing. So just keep doing your thing.
All right, at the end of the day, you're gonna make yourself
Yeah.
happy,
Keep doing your
happy,
thing.
happy. All right, now, last time we went to Kumbali, you did say you're gonna give me a shout out backstage, and you didn't.
Oh my days. Okay.
You didn't.
You know what it is? I meant at Mad Talk and you didn't come to Mad Talk.
Okay. You see him now, guys. He's switching things up. Not nice, switching things up. All right. Maybe as we're finishing, what words do you have to your fans?
Graduation party coming out soon. Please be on the lookout. Thank you for the support thus far. You guys have been amazing. I can't wait to see you again at the next show. Pretty much. And thank you for having me.
Thank you so much for coming through.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that was Zo Lar. Be on the lookout for Graduation Party, which I missed the listening session, and I'm not okay with that. But yeah, we move, yeah, guys. And of course, be there again next week, same time, same place. And I am Adina Fichunga.
Trending stars.